Hi guys, it's your friend, that guy from Flavortown, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an omelet because it's good and stuff. So here are some of the things you're going to be using for creating an omelet. I got a state-of-the-art frying pan right here. Pretty nice, it's pretty good. Here's a really nice spatula. That's a knife. You could use it like anywhere. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh god.
Hey, what is
I don't think
this?
we're supposed to be back.
What is this?
Hey,
What?
buddy.
You, buddy. What is this?
Buddy, are you hungry?
I want to know. No, I want to know what all this is. I want to know.
Are you hungry?
I might be a little bit hungry.
Come on, folks. So, you're gonna want to turn on the stove. So, why don't you do so? Like, to get things started. Wow, you're a real good guy.
Prepare myself, going in.
No! Alright, so your next step is... Hey, what are you doing? Hey, get out of here! Get! This is your next thing. It's an egg. Yeah, let's just observe that for a moment. What you're gonna do with this egg is you're gonna take your buttered pan, take the egg, crack it, and so the yolk comes out, alright? See? What the fuck? Alright, so next we're gonna go over the kind of ingredients you want to add. Oh, thank you. We have bacon. You can put bacon in there. It's pretty nice. It tastes really good. Oh, nice cheese. Yes, cheese is essential for an omelet. It's like the best. Ham's great. Ham's my friend. It's my buddy. Yeah, it's so good. Yeah, and yeah, maybe that could. I mean, I guess. I mean, if you want to be that way. Then you put it in. Alright, next thing. Now that your ingredients are in, it's time to flip it.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Whoa! Nice job on your omelet, bucko.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Alright, but first, before you eat it, because you might burn your little tongue, you don't want to eat it yet, because it's too hot. You gotta wait for it to cool down.
And don't you worry, little buddy. I've got a plan.
Hey, buddy.
Hey.
How's that omelet doing for you?
Let's find out.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm glad. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Oh man, that does look really nice. Do you want another after this? This
Yeah.
is the best one you've ever had?
Yeah.
Yeah. When was the last time you had an omelet? Don't answer that.
Okay.
Well, is it good? Is it just straight out good? The
Oh,
best
yeah.
thing? All right. Were you
Yeah.
involved with the case of Bill Hader?
Yeah.
Did you, by chance, know who the murderer was?
Yeah.
Are you the murderer?
Yeah.
Ashton Simeon, SCPD. You're under arrest, buddy.
No.
Get.
This omelet's sucking, by the way. No. No. No.